In this video, we'll show you how to change the tailgate handle on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To access the tailgate handle on your vehicle, you need to open the tailgate. Using a T20 Torx screwdriver, unscrew the 10 tailgate liner retaining screws. Then, remove it. The tailgate molding under the liner is now free to be removed. You can now access the opening mechanism. Disconnect the connector by pushing the plastic tab, then pull the tab. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Using a fork, unclip the wiring harness from the power tailgate lock actuator. Disconnect the tailgate handle rods. These are released by pushing on the plastic tabs that hold each end in place. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Then remove them. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two tailgate lock actuator bracket retaining bolts. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Next, using the same tool, unscrew the two tailgate handle retaining bolts. You can now push on the handle to disengage it from its slot, holding it with one hand. Close the tailgate. Then remove the handle. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a Torx T20 bit, unscrew the backup camera's two retaining screws. You can install it on the new tailgate handle later. The handle is now free. You can remove it. You can order the tailgate handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Remove the lock cylinder retaining clip. Remove the cylinder. Take the new tailgate handle. Insert the cylinder into the new handle. Then install the retaining clip. The new handle is now ready for installation. Put the backup camera in place. Then reinstall its screws. Replace the tailgate handle by inserting the top part of the handle first. Screw the two retaining bolts back in. Put the rods back in. Then lock it. Put the lock actuator back in place by inserting the mechanism into its slot. Then screw the metal bracket back on. Before closing the assembly, we advise you to test the opening and locking system to make sure it works. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. Then put the clip back in place. Put the tailgate molding back in place. Then screw the liner back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.